Many people will tell you about dual booting and have you boot Linux and Windows from the same drive. This is done by loading Windows first and then Linux. Linux will give you the option to install Linux alongside an OS. It will actually say that in the setup. This is a bad idea because Microsoft will break the boot system installed with future updates. I tried it happened to me, and it's a pain to untangle. This is an example of what this boot procedure would look like. This is the selection that you would make when you see the boot come up. The best way to dual boot is to use another drive altogether and use switches to select between drives. This is done between the boot of each operating system. You can't select an operating system while the computer is running. To dual boot safely, you need to completely swap out the drive the OS is on and use a different drive altogether. This is a removable drive bay, which can be used to swap between the operating systems. A more convenient way is to use a switch bank to select your OS. This is one at the back of the computer. The disadvantage is reaching around and back to select your operating system. This one is the one that goes in the drive bay in the case that's in front of the computer. This has the advantage of having easy access. Microsoft has made some demands like TPM and CPU modifications that will make this impossible in the future. Most of your hacks are of the person behind the keyboard or at a much higher level than the start of the operating system. And what I'm talking about is that we see it when we get phishing emails and things like that. That's what I'm talking about as far as hacking the person rather than hacking the computer. Okay, the best way to secure your hardware is to encrypt your disk your personal information is on. If Microsoft was serious about data security, then BootLocker would be in all of Microsoft Windows and not in just the Pro editions. They don't care, or else they would offer this simple protection and not make you go from the Home Edition to the Pro Edition for drive security if your drive or computer is stolen. Okay, I hope you have fun booting your computer with as many operating systems as you like. If you like the content of my page, then subscribe, and I thank you for watching my video.